Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to register as an Uber driver in Canada. So guys, quick one, open up your Uber driver application on your mobile phone. So once you open it up, you wait for it to finish up loading up a bit. So quickly it's downloading. So guys, point to note is that this is a driver application. So tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you then have to sign up with your account. That is preferably the Gmail account. So quickly I'll choose continue with Gmail or continue with Google. So once you choose continue with Google, be patient until your Google has finished loading. So quickly I'll choose my Gmail account and then continue as Mendez. So my name is Mendez, so I'll be registering as Mendez. So as I've said, I'll be showing you how to register as an Uber driver in Canada. So tap on this drop down arrow over here and then look for your country. So my country is Canada. So quickly I'll look for ABC and Canada is there. And then here I'll put in my name. So assuming this is your name, R4J5, and then your last name is Lozen. Okay, and then put in your card number and then tap continue. As simple as it is, guys. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.